Welcome to eCharged. Ampere Electric has officially launched a new electric scooter, Magnus Pro, in the Indian market. The Ampere Magnus Pro is built on a modified chassis of the existing Zeal e-scooter. It is available in 4 different colors: metallic red, golden yellow, bluish pearl white, and graphite black. Let's look at the specifications of Magnus Pro. The motor is 1.2 kilowatt BLDC hub motor. Battery 30 ampere 60 volt advanced lithium ion, which is detachable for easy charging. The battery takes around a charging time of 5 to 6 hours using conventional charger and about 2 hours using fast charger. The Magnus Pro has a range of up to 80 kilometers with a top speed of 55 km per hour and does 0 to 40 in 10 seconds. The total weight of the scooter is 82 kgs. The brakes are 130 mm combined braking system. It also has a regenerative braking. The Magnus Pro gains around 10 to 12% of regenerated energy, translating around 8 to 10 km of additional range on a full charge. The ex-showroom price of the Ampere Magnus Pro is around 73,900 rupees. Apart from this, it has a lot of utility spaces. For instance, there is a 10 liters of boot space that can occupy a full face helmet. There is also a cell phone charger in the front pocket. The instrument cluster is fully digital and has a blue-black light for easy viewing. A payload of up to 150 kg can be carried on the scooter, which has a ground clearance of 150 mm, which is sufficient for our Indian roads. The Magnus Pro has a power to weight ratio of almost around 15 watt per kg, which is the highest in its class as compared to other electric scooters. Now let's see about the warranty. The Magnus has about 3 years or 20,000 kilometers of warranty for the battery. For other components like motor, controller and charger, the warranty is 3 years standard, plus the warranty can be extended for additional 2 years. So in short, 3 years for the battery and totally with extension 5 years for motor, charger and controller. The Magnus also complies with the new norms that will be applicable to electric vehicle starting October 2020. It also offers multiple advanced features like anti-theft alarm, digital LCD cluster, mobile charging point, bright LED lights, LED DRLs, telescopic suspension, 450 mm of leg space, large storage boot space. Ampere says the customer can book the new electric scooter onto its website and can avail using easy EMIs. So this scooter is a completely made in India product. Every feature and specification is specifically designed and developed keeping the Indian customer in mind and suiting their lifestyle, the Indian roads and the weather conditions. Magnus Pro can withstand bumpy roads, muddy roads and also rain. So going forward, the company is looking to introduce more such products as well as focus on enhancing the user experience of the e-scooters. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.